Not too long ago, I created this kind of cool, creative one-stand video system for my small office studio, and I liked it, but there was a problem. When I was rolling it around, I put the stand on wheels. When I was rolling it around, the light was hitting the ceiling fan. So what I decided to do was kind of redo the video stand, which I primarily use for my YouTube videos. And by doing so, I made it a little smaller and cheaper. Here's the new and improved stand. Now, I'll show you what is new. First of all, the light. The light is from Fosaton. I think that's the name of it. It is a LED light panel. It is way, way thin, extremely light. And one of the reasons I got this over the other one, if you notice, is just under my ceiling fan, which my office gets very hot. I have to keep this on. So one of the things I wanted was something that would clear it, and I found this, and it's really cool. It also comes with this remote. And so what I can do is just with one click of the remote, I always hit the wrong button. I can turn it on, I can turn it off. You can also change the temperature and the color. I really like that. Again, it's very inexpensive. It's probably more than half the cost of the other one. The other thing I changed is this arm. This is an impact arm. It's a 6-inch impact arm. And when I first got it, I was afraid it wasn't going to be long enough, but it's actually perfect. And so I keep my camera on there. I'm still shooting with the Canon M6 Mark II. I usually shoot my YouTube videos in 4K and then edit in 1080p. I'm also using the Tokina 11 to 20 millimeter lens. Love this lens. It gives a little wide eye, but it's not fisheye. It's just crazy. And I also have this monitor on, and the reason I have this monitor, which unfortunately you can't get anymore, is because if you notice, I keep my, and I've also switched to the Rode VideoMic NTG for this because it's got gain control and everything on the back. This is a phenomenal mic. Plus, you can use it as a USB mic on your desk. And since I have it on a little friction arm, it blocks the monitor back there, which is just a stupid design. But anyway, they did it. They didn't ask. But the light is brand new. This arm, holy cow. This arm is like 15 bucks or something like that. Fits right on, comes with the bracket. Now, I still have on here a quick release plate and a little ball head. And I added those just so I can angle the camera if I need to. Oh, I'm squishing it. But to me, I think those are easy parts to add, very inexpensive. It's like 20 or 14 bucks or something, I don't know. I can't remember. All of the links will be in the bottom. I'm still using the tray from GatorWorks. Right now it's just holding the remote. And then I'm still using the Impact light stand. And the reason I like this is for this reason right here. Comes with wheels. These wheels are very heavy. It's a heavy-duty light stand. It's easy to roll. And you've got the points where you can tighten it up. It's just a really, really cool setup. And this whole setup is a lot cheaper. And look, if I kind of walk around my office, you can see how I can move it anywhere I want to over in here. And it's a really cool setup. This video is sponsored by StreamYard. Now, StreamYard is what I use to live stream all the time because it is the easiest live streaming platform on the World Wide Web. You can stream to Facebook. You can stream to LinkedIn Live. You can stream to YouTube. You can do all that at the same time. You can even record videos. So if you want a simple, easy way to live stream, check out StreamYard. There's a link down in the description. You can try it for free. I think you're gonna love it. So that's what I use around my office studio space, unless I'm shooting at my desk, which I can also do that in live stream. But I really like to be able to be mobile and be able to move this around and quickly change up the angles. So I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you like this, consider giving it a like and a subscribe too, and I will see you in the next video. I'm Kevin. Make sure you share your gifts, make an impact in the world. See you next time.